The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a snow squall warning for northern Harford County in northern Maryland until 8:15 a.m. At 7:52 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Pittsburgh to near Bel Air North, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This affects Interstate 95 between Maryland Highway 543/Riverside Parkway and the Susquehanna River. Locations impacted include Aberdeen, Delaware Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Bel Air South, Bel Air North, Falston, Riverside, Perryman, Darlington, Churchville, Carsons, Scarborough, Forest Hill, Bingham, Harford Furnace, and Hickory. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a snow squall warning for northern Harford County in northern Maryland